What's up guys, and welcome to another art challenge video. It's been a minute, the boys and I have been very busy with work and life, but we are back. It's a new day and a new challenge. We've taken a step back from Marvel Rivals for the moment, and we'll be starting a new series where we've each picked a selection of our favourite characters, put them on the big wheel, and then the first two names that it hit, we have to combine together and then illustrate as one character. Now besides that, we've purposely left the guidelines pretty loose so we can really capitalize on our creative skills and really try to surprise each other and you guys with the final artwork. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and add your favorite character down in the comments below for our future videos. And with that being said, let's spin the wheel and see which characters I get to draw.
Let's see the fusions.
I wouldn't mind Thor with something. This is my main.
Don't jinx it.
Come on. He's past him. Spidey. I'll take Spidey. I love Spidey.
Okay, Spidey's good.
But Spidey mixed with any of these
depends on who.
Very interesting.
It's all gonna land on who. It's like Spider-Man Thor could be sick.
Yeah, Spider-Man Guts would be. Oh, come on, Chevy, give it to me.
All right,
give it to me.
Let's do it.
Come on, who we get? Getting Spider-Man Guts.
Oh, you got it. We're all just calling it.
It makes no sense.
Oh, that's gonna be rough, man.
That's gonna be
very
fucking
interesting
rattling combination. When I started this piece, I wanted to merge two characters who both carried incredible weight on their shoulders. Guts from Berserk and Miguel O'Hara, Spider-Man 2099. At first glance, they come from completely different worlds. One's a medieval mercenary haunted by darkness, and the other's a futuristic Spider-Man fighting to preserve the timeline. At their core, they share something powerful. Both are relentless, both are scarred by tragedy, and both keep moving forward no matter the odds. For the design, I leaned into Guts' heavy armoured silhouette. That iconic brutal weight of the Berserk armour felt like the perfect base, symbolising raw survival and rage. Then I layered in Miguel's sharper futuristic elements, the glowing red spider emblem, angular lines, and the neon energy that always surrounds him. This gave the armour a more modern, cyberknight edge, as if medieval brutality collided with high-tech evolution. I posed him crouched over the sword, which is iconically Guts, but the glowing web pattern in the cape is pure Spider-Man. It's almost like the sword becomes a cross between the Dragon Slayer and Miguel's futuristic tech. A weapon and a symbol of the burden they both carry. Conceptually, this mashup is about balance, the medieval and the futuristic, the rage and their responsibility, the lone warrior, the protector of many. Drawing it was like stitching together two different eras of storytelling and seeing how well their aesthetics spoke to each other. In the end, this design became less about just fusing armour and symbols and more about capturing the shared essence. Two men who fight, not because they want to, but because they have to. Now, I don't want to spoil the final artwork, so let's get to the reveal with the boys. But for all those artists out there that do want to see the rest of the rendering process, I'll have that after the reveal, so you can check that out there. What's going on, me boys?
Hello.
Hello, man.
Hello, Gideon.
What up?
Ooh. 24-hour art challenge, not Marvel Rivals this time.
No, just a
still
full-blown fusion ha.
It is a fusion. Still got a pinch of Marvel in mind, so that wasn't too bad. Keep some people happy.
Oh yeah, Spider-Man.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, you got Spider-Man in there, thanks to you.
How'd you go?
Yeah, it's a bit tricky. I did a couple of different poses at the start. I didn't know whether I wanted to go bust or full body or whatever. Ended up doing full body and tried to pick a cool dynamic pose, but
I'm keen to see medieval.
I feel like
apocalyptic Spider-Man.
It's good.
Yeah,
it's good, but I can't say it's my best work, but it's
you know what?
Definitely a lot of fun.
Before you submit it, because it was Spider-Man and Guts, I thought you were going to turn it into Spider Guts and just draw like a smooshed spider.
That would be absolutely disgusting.
That would be very unexpected.
We don't want to do that.
But yeah, keen to see what you did with this, man.
Pop it up.
3, 2,
Here we go.
1.
Oh, what?
The hell, dude?
That's sick, man.
That's fucking awesome.
That's my Spider Guts.
That's dirty.
Nice.
That's so dirty, dude.
Yeah.
So I
That's very
did
cool.
take a
love
note
it.
from one of your ideas, Rui, when you said you suggested Miguel, and I was like, Miguel would actually go.
Yeah, 100%. Because I didn't specify which Spider-Man for that reason. It could have been
Yeah.
whatever version of Spider-Man, but this is hot, dude. This is awesome.
Yeah, I love this. I like him sitting on the sword as well.
Oh shit! I thought it was a
idea.
building.
No, he's not a giant. He's just on his big fuck off sword.
That's sick. Oh, dude, the cape is the best bit.
Yeah, I love the cape as well, man.
Yeah, it was interesting while drawing because at the start I was a bit sort of muddled with what's going to go where, and I was thinking, do I do Peter Parker? And then I was thinking Miles Morales because he has a black suit.
Yeah.
I'm like, maybe that'll fit better with the guts armor. But by the end of it, I'm like, Miguel, even showing like I don't know a lot about him, but watching the Spider-Verse, you know, when he's like always brooding and he's like
Yeah, perfect.
menacing
Yeah,
look and
yeah.
stuff, and he kind of got that hunch, and I was like, nah, that's perfect for the
Perfect,
that's
dude.
that's gonna work really well. So yeah, and like Guts has the cape that drapes down, and I'm like, I'll just do his version of like the neon cape, you know, the spikes on the arms. I was gonna do the classic thing, like I don't know if you see my T-shirt where Guts is always, you know, holding the sword on his shoulder.
Yeah,
Yeah, and he has the crouch
like-
pose as well, right? It's like
Yeah,
perfect.
but
These two
he
characters
does have
have.
he's
Yeah.
normally up on some skulls or some rocks or something. But I was
Yeah.
like, nah, he's like Spider-Man, so he's just gonna be balancing on the top of his sword like a gangster. So
I'm surprised you didn't
Yeah.
like do something crazy with the sword too.
I was thinking about doing like that middle section as like neon red.
I thought so. Yeah.
Yeah, I did do a pass of it, but it sort of took away
From the
a bit
cape?
from the
Yeah.
cape and the eyes and the
Yeah.
chest area.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
And I wanted it to go to fade down into fog and darkness, so I didn't want to have a big giant neon light there. So yeah,
Nah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I love it, man.
Jeez, these
thanks,
mashups
guys.
are nuts. I legitimately never know what to expect.
Yeah,
Yeah, no,
I wasn't
it's
sure how you're gonna do it,
super
but
fun.
yeah, it looks sick. Looks better than I thought it would.
I appreciate it, man. Thanks, guys. Alright, well, yeah, that's Spider-Man Guts. For the people that are watching, if you have other characters that you want to put on the spin wheel for us to draw, chuck them down in the comments. Let us know why they're your favourites. If you want to go over to Rui's channel and see his creation of
It's Joker, right? So Joker and Goku.
Joker and Goku. So that's going to be sick. And if you want to go over to Melvin's channel and check out Zorro crossed over with Venom, you can
Yep.
go check that out now as well.
Yeah, do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Alright, cool. And if you want to stay tuned, you can watch the full rendering process of my creation.
Ooh.